A rally was held by various NGO leaders in Malangkona area today, the 14th of April 2022, to protest against the MoU which was signed between the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya on the 29th of March in New Delhi. The mass rally started from Simaguri playground and was concluded at Sildubi playground and was participated by citizens of all ages. A meeting was shortly held where various leaders condemned the MDA government for failing to discuss with the villagers before signing of the MoU. Speaking at the rally, the Vice President of Malangkona Area Development Organization, Inosh Momen, said that they have been settling on the land for many decades and the decision of the MDA government has caused displeasure among the villagers, who have also lost their land in the give and take policy of the present government.
Namli kama, deh, hotel bikin, kamu kan anjap sal kutosan ungeca kudena, wat jana, Meghalaya, government korking apa, MDA government korking apa, pakonda changma, yago, ragal cemot anenggen, angni, molani yan, unigaman, shar, na akasa pai, cini molani ko, acep jati duk mukciko, nari pakbo, angagania, unigaman, shar alam ko molaya. Chang ni chang pun ni pun mulai ah kat tak pula